Hey, in this video, I will show you how to set the minimum number of orders and the minimum payment amount for affiliate payouts. Go to the Affiliate Press Payouts page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Payout page. Here you can see the payout records. Now click the Generate New button and select the date. After that, click the Preview button. Here you can see the total of 12 affiliates who are eligible for payouts for this period. All these affiliates currently have a minimum amount of 10 and a minimum order requirement of 1. Now we will change the minimum order value. Go to the Affiliate Press Settings page. Now open the Commissions tab. This is the Affiliate Press Commission Settings page. Now, change the payment minimum number of orders count and click to Save button. The order count has been successfully changed. Now go back to the Payout page and refresh it. Now click on the Generate New button, and you will see that the minimum order requirement has changed at the top. After that, select the date and click the Preview button. As you can see, only 3 affiliates are displayed here because their minimum amount is 10 and their minimum order requirement is 3. Now let's return to the settings page and change the minimum payment amount. Click the Save button to save the changes. The minimum amount has been successfully changed. Now go back to the Payout page again and refresh the page. Now click on the Generate New button and you will see that the minimum amount has changed at the top. Now select the date and click the Preview button. Here you can see that only one affiliate is displayed because this user has met both the minimum order and minimum amount requirements.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.